Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm Dilyana, founder with Menopause Support Academy. Today, we're talking about something that affects your performance, your leadership, and your confidence, and your well-being, your energy. Many women tell me that I used to be sharp, focused, and productive. Now I feel tired, foggy, and not like myself. And the biggest mistake they make is thinking they need more discipline. But energy is not created by pushing harder. Energy is created by resetting your nervous system. Today, we show you why energy drops and how the M.E.N.O Method restore it. Energy drop when your body shifts into survival mode. This happens when three systems become dysregulated: your nervous system, your hormones, and your sleep rhythm. When your nervous system is constantly stressed, your body conserves energy instead of producing it. When hormones fluctuate, your brain loses stability in focus, mood, and recovery. When sleep is disrupted, your body never is fully recharged. This is not your motivation problem. This is the system regulation problem. This is why I create a M.E.N.O method. It's restore energy by working with your body. M stands for mind regulation. We calm the nervous system so your body feels safe. Safety is the foundation of your energy. E stands for energy alignment. We align your daily schedule with your biological rhythm. This stops energy crashes. N stands for nervous system reset. We use breathwork, bioenergetic support, and body-based practices that restore your regulation. All stand for optimization. We improve sleep, hormone support, and recovery, so your energy becomes stable long-term. When women apply this method, they experiencing clear thinking, better sleep, stable energy, emotional balance, renewed confidence. They feel like themselves again. Your exhaustion is not your weakness. It's a signal your body is asking for rhythm, not pressure. When you restore rhythm, energy results naturally. This is the work I do every day with women leaders who want to perform at high level without burnout. Energy is not something you chase, it's something that you restore. If you feel your energy is not where you should be, I invite you to book a midlife reset assessment. In this session, we identify exactly what is blocking your energy and what your body needs. In description in the video, you're going to find how to book a call with me, an assessment call. And also, please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and comment also, so that help my channel. Thank you so much.